All right, many thanks for that, Namrata. But there's one particular stock there, of course, that was touched upon. That's the Eicher Motors stock. Remember that Eicher, there's been a lot of talk about just what form Eicher is going to take after the joint venture was signed with Volvo Trucks a few months ago. And, well, that particular stock spiked almost 10% in 20% in intraday trade today, the day's high coming just after markets opened. Then, of course, things tapered off just a little bit, but well, the big reason for that spike was because Eicher went ahead and announced that it is going to go ahead with its buyback as per plans, which means almost 700 rupees per share. Remember, this is what was initially announced at the time when the joint venture was signed with Volvo. At the time, Volvo also said it will be taking about an 8% stake in Eicher Motors. So how come the company in these tough times is going ahead with a huge buyback? Well, Sheetal Bansal answers that question.
It was meant to happen, but no longer expected at this price. Eicher announced its buyback, and in that announcement was a surprise. Eicher wants to mop up 21.28% shares of paid-up capital at a price of just over 690 rupees per share. It's going to shell out 97 crore rupees of its own cash, and the acceptance ratio for the offer is seen at 10%. The Eicher stock surged nearly 20% in trade on Wednesday, thanks to the healthy premium in the buyback price. The buyback price ties into Volvo's acquisition price for 8.1% promoter stake in Eicher Motors. The promoters claim that the move is aimed at providing an incentive to minority shareholders, and neither the promoters nor Volvo would participate in the buyback.
Volvo has picked up 8.1% shares in Eicher Motors Limited. It's just that we had announced at that point that we will also do a buyback with giving the public shareholders the same value. And it has just taken us this much time to get to that stage because of the process which you have to go to the board and to the shareholders who have to agree to this. So it's the process that we followed which has taken us time till now.
Truck sales of the company has nosedived 58% in the month of Jan. The CV maker is sitting on a cash pile of rupees 450 crores, out of which it will utilize nearly 100 crores for the purpose of the buyback. Eicher Motors has stated that it is holding back any capex for further capacity additions in the year 2009 till the CV market picks up again. In Mumbai, Sheetal Bansal, NDTV Profit.